As a homeowner, I'm always fixing something or trying to make something last a little bit longer. And so I have quite a few cracks in my sidewalk. I'm going to be trying out this easy to use sidewalk crack repair. And so this is a powder from DAP that you actually pour into cracks, and then you mist it with some water. You smooth it out and then mist it with some water. So we're going to try it out. I'm a little skeptical as to whether or not it will work. I'm going to show you how I put it on, and then we'll come back and look at it in a few days and see what it's doing. And then we'll come back and look at it in a few years, but you'll need to stick around to see that one. So this is a DAP concrete crack filler. It says it has virtually zero shrinkage, and it comes in a nice little container here. And I was actually so hopeful that it would work that I bought 2 of these because I do have quite a few cracks. At some point I'm going to have to replace a lot of concrete, but I just keep putting it off because I don't want to pay, and I'm not going to do it myself. So let's take a look at how this works. So even here I'm pulling off some of the old sealant that I'd put on these. This is the liquid that you pour in. It doesn't seem to ever last more than a year or 2. And so I'm going to apply first to this crack here. So what you will notice about this crack is that it actually has an area here that's deeper and wider. It's about 1 inch, it looks like. And so the application says a 1/2 inch most. And so I'm gonna see though what it does here. It's just if I put it in a larger crack, it actually says you might do more than 1 application. So I will not fill it all the way up. I will wet it down and then come back and add some more to it to see what we get there. But first I'm just trying to clean out the crack some. I thought I had a wire brush that I could do this with, but I don't see it. So just using a screwdriver here, and then I'm going to use this drill brush just to try to get a little bit clean before I put this in here. You want to clean the crack out a little bit, and I used a power brush here with my drill, and it was fine. All this could have been a little bit cleaner, and maybe if I did it again I would come back and use my leaf blower just to clear off the area once I'd done this. The container is a plastic container. It was sealed, obviously because it doesn't want to get any moisture in it. And then it's a very sand-like consistency, and that's how easily it comes out. I could have cut the hole on top a little bit bigger for my use here because I was getting quite a bit out, but it was fine. This came out really easily, and again, it is a super quick process here to patch each of these. I applied it to this first one, and then you see the deeper hole there on the right. Probably better to smooth it out with some sort of a brush, like an old paintbrush. I didn't quickly find one for this project. I just grabbed this little plastic spatula tool, and it did fine. Then I wet it down with the spray bottle, just moist. I repeated the process then on 2 more areas here on this section of sidewalk. This area you can see is a bigger area. It had a lot of issues and a lot of cracks. You know, this really needs to be replaced, but I think this is going to hold. I will evaluate here when we're done. I didn't do a great job here of getting grass clippings and stuff away. That was a mistake. This area also had a deeper, bigger hole like the first area, so I'll show you that as well when it's all done. Here are the 3 spots. It's the next morning. They are very, very noticeable, obviously, and it looks really, this looks like somebody spilled sand here, but it's solid, and a bird pooped in it. Happy with the texture, the smoothness. A couple places where I didn't do a great job of getting it pushed out, so a little bit of rise right here, but absolutely nothing rubs off with my finger. It's coming back and looking at this now. This is the original hole that I filled in, and this is what it looked like before. I did fill it in a couple of times, and just within the same 30 or 40 minutes that I did this. You hear it here? Nothing's scraping off, nothing's moving. It has a little bit different sound, but no indentation or anything. All right, so the product went down easier than I thought. My concrete was worse than I thought, but all that gives you a pretty good look in the possibilities of what this DAP concrete crack filler can do. And it's going to be useful in some situations and probably stretched a bit to cover others. So certainly if you're at the point where it really needs to be replaced, then this is barely a Band-Aid probably on it. So So I can show you its short-term results in this video, and I imagine its long-term results will be pretty good the way it's set up. I don't think it's going to last forever though. Hopefully though, that was all you need to know about this crack repair for your concrete. You can use it indoor, but for me it's an outdoor product. So thanks for watching.